Hi, I'm Akanksha. In this video, we are going to be talking about two new launches from Minimalist. Minimalist has recently launched their ceramides and I have got my hands on both of these. So basically, these are pretty same, but they have launched two different ceramides, one for dry skin and one for oily skin. So both of these ceramides are formulated with 0.3% active concentration of 5 essential ceramides, which are NP, EOP, NS, AS and AP. Now I won't go into much of the details of the ceramides because I think you guys won't be interested to know, and these are completely oil-free formulations that is like wow. And these are acidic as well. Their pH is between 5 to 6, which is acidic, and these ceramides can be used both day and night all around the year without any hassle. Retail for 600 rupees each and you get 30 ml of product. These two ceramide moisturizers basically have three important claims. That is, it helps to repair your skin barrier, it helps to calm and soothe your skin, and also it hydrates your skin. And your girl has tested all of those three and I was surprised. These stood to all the claims. Both these ceramides for dry and oily skin have urosolic acid, is proven to accelerate skin barrier recovery. The best part about these two ceramides is that these have ceramide, cholesterol and fatty acid in the same proportion that it naturally occurs in our skin, which is 3:1:1, and that is the reason why these are so effective in barrier repair and recovery. What about the calming and soothing properties? So basically these moisturizers are also boosted with acetoicoside, which are powerful skin soothing ingredients. So on days when your skin is inflamed and irritated, these moisturizers are definitely gonna help to calm it down. I have tested this on my irritated, inflamed skin, on my itchy skin, on my thighs as well, and trust me, it calms and soothes your skin like no one's business. Now coming to the hydrating part, these moisturizers have some amazing humectants, emollients and occlusives. These are hydrating ingredients, so that is the reason it can hydrate your skin so well. It can leave your skin so nourished and so supple. Now let's talk about the texture of both of these and how these wear on your face. Firstly, let's talk about this ceramide plus bisabolol moisturizer for dry skin. This is a barrier repair cream. So this is a proper cream as the description says, and its consistency is a little thicker than the one for oily skin, obviously, but it definitely does not mean that it might feel heavy on your face. But yes, while you put it on your face and you gently try to massage it and make it sip into your skin, it kind of turns white, like whitish. The same thing happens with the Earth Rhythm Phyto Repair Moisturizer, and it irritates me sometimes because I want my moisturizer to seep into my skin like in a blink of the eye, but it does not. ये थोड़ी ऐसी white हो जाती है, but slowly as you massage it into your skin, as you rub it into your skin, that white thing goes and it gets completely absorbed into your skin. Can you wear it in the daytime? Absolutely. Can you wear it during summers? Yes, you can. And the best part is it leaves like a matte yet very nourished feel on your skin. Now coming to the one for oily skin, it is the ceramide plus medicaicoside, and this is a barrier repairing gel for oily skin. It is much light in texture than the cream. The cream was light on your skin, no doubt, but this is even lighter and it gets absorbed quicker into your skin and it does not convert into that whitish thing. And आप बस थोड़ी rub करो, massage करो अपने face पे and it is gonna get absorbed like see how beautifully, seamlessly it gets absorbed into the skin. Again, this can be used all around the year, both day and night. Let's understand a little what are ceramides and why is it necessary, how it is helpful for our skin, right? Each and every cell in our body consists of a cell membrane which has lipids in it. So lipids are basically a kind of fats, So the lipids in our skin is composed of ceramides, cholesterol and fatty acids in a ratio of 3:1:1. which helps to retain the moisture within the skin and prevent transdermal water loss. Also, you'll notice this, that a person with dry skin shows the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines pretty early than a person with oily or well nourished skin. That pretty much tells us how important these lipids, fats, ceramides are for our skin. And this protective layer of lipids, ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids on our skin is called the skin barrier. Many times due to UV exposure, age, pollutants, certain medications, overwashing and over exfoliation and application of certain ingredients can damage the skin barrier, and if these factors aren't checked in time, it becomes difficult for our skin to repair itself naturally. You need to provide some external help to your skin so that it can repair itself and the process gets hastened. So for that external aid for your skin, moisturizers containing ceramides are a very good option to go for. What I loved about these ones is these are so lightweighted. You know, many a times what happens, जो ceramide moisturizers होते हैं ना, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा heavy हो जाती है आपके skin के लिए, and day time use के लिए तो बिल्कुल भी appropriate नहीं रहते हैं. But these, oh my god, are so freaking comfortable. I was shocked. And also बिल्कुल भी sticky नहीं लगती है, heavy नहीं लगती, greasy नहीं लगती. मतलब ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि आपने moisturizer या कुछ भी product लगाया हुआ है अपने face पे. Also, I love using these ceramides on the days of chemical peel. So if you guys do not know, on the days that you chemically peel your skin, you are not supposed to use any active ingredient or any hydroxy acid. You need to follow a very simple, hydrating, nourishing skincare routine for 48 hours after the peel. So for those days, these two moisturizers come in handy for me. So that's pretty much about these amazing moisturizers from Minimalist. I cannot thank the brand enough for coming up with these. A week and a half I have only been using these as my moisturizer, both in the morning and the nighttime skincare routine. So I will also highly recommend you guys to get your hands on these. These are must buys and must haves. And I think that's all about this video. I hope you guys found it helpful and informative, and I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.